Uh, Hello there, my name is Raja Singh Samuel. In this video we are going to see exercise 3, a shopping cart app. Our main aim is to showcase the use of array adapters and the custom layouts which we can use in our Android app to further customize the views and the layouts to our requirements. So let's get started with the main design. So what we are going to do, we are going to show a list of contents for the user to buy. When they click on the list item, when they click on each item, we are going to add that item into a shopping cart, and before adding we are going to ask a confirmation to the user with a dialog, and when the user presses yes, it's going to be added. And based on each item, since each item has different prices, we will also calculate the individual based on the quantities and the price and the total price, everything, and then we will make a bill for the cart, and we will put it on the next new activity, and we will show what the user is done. So the main aim is to show the usage of list view and the how we can further customize the list view. uh, so let's get started. And here we have, well, I'll show you the component tree. We have a big relative layout right here. It's a I just have a padding as 20 dp, that's it, there's nothing else in there. And then I have the list view, which is right here. It has an ID of list, that's it. And then I have a button. After the list, we'll have a button, and the button will say bill, check bill. And when I click on the button, it's going to take it to the next activity. That's it. That's the only purpose of this button, and it's going to actually calculate everything when I click the button. That's it. Now we can only see like 23 lines in this code, right? So we just said it's layout with match parent, layout, height, wrap content, but where are the other things coming from? Well, we use something called as an array adapter in the main activity, and we put all these things inside it. See, we created something called as an adapter right here. So the context for us is the main activity context, and I am giving some main title for it, subtitle, and an image ID. So this adapter is something which we can create whatever kind we want to. So adapter is the thing which we want each individual item to contain. So we want our item to have a title, a subtitle, and an image ID. The image ID is basically the name of the image, and the main title is the name of the product, and the subtitle is actually the price of the product. So this, I'm just getting the thing, getting the list from the views, and I'm setting the adapter on the list. Now when the list is clicked, it's gonna take the values of parent, view, position, and ID. Four things we are going to be using if we are using a list view: parent, view, position, and ID. So parent tells what parent is the list view in. Is it inside a linear layout, or is it inside a scroll view, or whatever it is? Then we have the view itself. Then we have the position of the item which is clicked. Then we have the ID of the item itself. Now here what I was saying is, we have like 4 positions right here, right? Because I actually have only 4 items, that's why I made it like this. So so for each position I'm writing the thing, writing the code for it. I'm building an alert builder right here. I'm passing the constant. I'm just saying adding to cart, confirm, yes, okay. Then if it is yes, then I'm creating another dialog in there, which it has to do, which does it, it just increments the apple count and the total. I'm just adding 200 because the price of the apple is actually 200 there, so each counts I'm gonna have to increase 200 to the total. Then I'm gonna make a toast and display it, and then if the guy says no, I'm doing nothing here. So this goes for all the positions, and after that I'm gonna create an intent and pass it to the other activity right here. Now before going there, I also want to uh, say what I was doing with the adapter there. The adapter is not an inbuilt adapter. I have created it for I have actually customized the adapter for our app, right? So it is called as an array adapter. I'm just creating my list adapter, a class, and I'm extending array adapter, right? Now I declare all the final stuff whatever I need here. I also create a constructor here based on what I need. This is the values, these were the values I was passing in the main activity while creating the adapter right there. In there I also have something called as get view. So this get view will just take the position, the view, and the view group, the parent thing, and it will inflate all the parent, uh, inflate the layout in the parent, right? It will take the items layout which we have given. So we are also saying here row view, inflator dot inflate my list. See, layout dot my list. So I have created a layout dot my list here. I have a image view, I have a text view, I have a big text. That's it. Title, subtitle, image ID. That's it. And then what I'm doing, I'm just getting whatever the values is passed in to this function. It will be set in there. See, main text position and then image ID of that position. Why I'm using position here? Because it's an array, and based on the value it will get the value of the list will get set in there, and it will just return that view right there. So that is what happening in this array view. Now after doing all those things in this main activity, that is what actually I'm doing. Just created this all these things, and I just set it to this adapter. When I set it, it will actually it will all work here, and it will just build it out. Now if we come to this actually, yeah, the strings dot xml file, I can show you where this is also coming from. See, I can also have something like this, an array name, and from using a string array resource I can get the values from the array resource right here into the list view. So that is also possible, since but it will just take two more code lines of code. That's it. And then now let's get to the building activity. Here what we are doing, we are just going to display everything. That's all. Whatever we are calculating everything in the main activity itself, and when the button is clicked right here, I'm just going to create an intent and pass everything to these guys. So this guy's work is just to display everything. That's all. Get everything from the intent and put it in the UI, and finally that's it. That's the entire work of the app. So let's see the app right here, and you can see it right here. Yeah. Right. Now I'm going to click it. You're going to see the dialog. I say yes, it gets added. Again I'm clicking it, I'm saying yes, 2 apples have been added. mango has been added. Yes. Another mango. Yes. I'm checking the bill. I got 2 apples, 2 mangoes. The bill is 520. So that is the output of our experiment. So the code is available in the description if you want to check it out. So thanks for watching.